I just installed a Raypack Lo Nox Model 407A heater for my spa. The heater will not run. The LCD display shows flow/field SW number 2. Any help will be appreciated. Thanks.
Hi. My name is Garry. I can help with your heater. Are you there? The flow/field SW number 2 is an external flow switch which is open. If the pump is not off, and you are getting this code on the display, there is a water restriction to the heater.
The pump is running normally when I get this code. There doesn't appear to be a restriction based on the filter pressure and pool circulations.
If you are certain there is no flow restriction to the heater, you will need to check the flow switch to confirm whether or not it is closing.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.